In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on laptop for first time. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do this with literally any laptop that you have. So what we want to go ahead and do is connect the charger, remove the laptop and charger from the box, then connect the charger to the laptop, plug the charger into a wall outlet, wait a minute to ensure the battery has some charge, as some laptops ship with a low battery and may not turn on immediately. Then locate the power button, which is usually above the keyboard or on the side of the laptop, and press the power button once. Wait for the manufacturer's logo to appear on the screen, and do not hold the power button down unless the laptop doesn't respond. Then, when the setup screen appears, choose your country or region, select your preferred language, choose your keyboard layout, and then click Next. Then you're going to have to select your Wi-Fi network, which is kind of necessary for the internet. Then enter your Wi-Fi password if you have one, then click Connect, and it's going to establish an internet connection. Now, if you're on a Windows laptop, you're going to need to sign it into your Microsoft account, and then you might need to complete some privacy and setup options. And then after that, it might just be running a few updates and configuring settings, which might take a few minutes, but then after that, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.